Hello, pig farmers and pig lovers. Welcome back to Edovasal Pig Farm. My name is Daniel Eze, the founder Edovasal Pig Farm Enugu. Okay, so at Edovasal Pig Farm, keeping our animals safe is part of our job. So we engage on routine vaccination for our animals once in every 2 months. So today is a little demonstration of how we do it. So these are some of the things we teach our customers. We teach our mentees the necessity why it's very, very important to give routine vaccination to your animals, because prevention, they say, is better than cure. So we don't wait till our animals fall sick before we start treatment. Rather, we give them some drugs to boost their immune so that they won't fall sick. And if they eventually fall sick, we know that it will not be a serious issue since they're already on a routine vaccination. So, and since we've been practicing this in our farm, we don't have issues like that anymore. Even in terms of mortality, we don't experience it like we used to when we were not practicing this. So we mix the necessary uh, drugs together, and we administer. So this is our pig catcher for the bigger pigs. All right, so here we go. So with our pig catcher or pig restrainer, it's always easier to inject the growers and the bigger pigs. So these are some of the things we do. We have this in stock, 5,000 naira for the rope. Then if you need any of our products attached to this video, like our concentrates, which you can use to mix feed for your pig, just add PKC only. You will have it secure the balanced diet for your pig. So we also have other products like the feed efficiency syrup, piglet cholesterol, and the rest. So if you need any of them, the description of these products are attached to this video. So just chat us up on WhatsApp and we'll get them to you. Till next time I come your way, stay blessed.